Odan CTC TV. The American piano of Anissa. Odan for na jatum. Tell party. What I say, what jatum? Tell party jatum. Odan for Jimudi. Monti Tumu. City TV. COMOAKU. City TV. I want a place to share. Blaster place no. Ghana local place no. All will be a share. City TV. City na. Keko. Boa.
God bless. The first reading, as we've been told, is taken from Psalm 100, verses 1 to 5. I'm reading from the New International Version. A shout for joy to the Lord, all the earth. Worship the Lord with gladness. Come before him with joyful songs. Know that the Lord is God. It is he who made us, and we are his. We are his people, the sheep of his pasture. Enter his gates with thanksgiving, and his courts with praise. Give thanks to him, and praise his name. For the Lord is good, and his love endures forever. His faithfulness continues through all generations. This is the word of the Lord.